Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to edit a PDF file in Canva. Okay, now the first thing that you need to do is just to open your Canva application on your device. And then just tap on this plus icon at the bottom corner of your screen. Okay, that's right. And then tap on this upload icon at the bottom left corner of your screen to upload a file, a document, or an image. And then you can use the search icon at the top corner of your screen to search for the name of your documents. Okay. So, for example, this PDF file, we're going to use this. And then you just had to wait for a few seconds until your file is uploaded. So this is the file. You just have to tap on it once you uploaded it. And then you can start editing by tapping on this the letters and all the things that you want to edit in this file. Okay, for example, this one you can remove the words and then change it according to your wants. Okay, for example, new words. As simple as that. So you can do this to another pages as well. You just have to tap on it, then you can delete it, and then you can add different things like images or words or anything that you want. Okay, so right after editing everything, you just have to tap on this save icon at the top right corner of your screen and then click on download. And right after that, you just have to change the file type into PDF standard. So right after that, you just have to click on download and your new PDF file will be downloaded. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.